Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about OLAPLEX versus coconut oil. Basically, I'm just going to be comparing the two and just seeing which one is better. Okay, so let's get started, but before we do, make sure you hit the like button. Both OLAPLEX and coconut oil are just super popular hair treatments. I feel like you probably already heard about them, but basically OLAPLEX is a bond repair treatment specifically designed for color treated hair or chemically processed hair. Basically just repairs the bonds in your hair and brings it back to life and just makes it a lot healthier feeling and looking and softer and smoother. Smoother? I can't say that word. And coconut oil is everyone's favorite for hair masks, like DIY hair masks. Putting it in as a pre-shampoo treatment just to make your hair, again, soft, shiny, and healthy. Okay, so let's look at the evidence first. I had footage of my hair before I used OLAPLEX and also before I used coconut oil, and then I also have the after clips. So let's take a look. I wash my hair once every 5 days, so every time I'm like about to wash my hair, it's really nasty looking and like crusty and oily, and it just looks really like ratchet. So that's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see like dry, crusty hair. So OLAPLEX is a little bit complicated because you have to wet your hair first, towel dry it, and then apply it. As the directions say to apply to towel dried hair. I have a little trick for you that's gonna save you some time with OLAPLEX. All you do is you part your hair like this, just like right down the middle. You turn your shower on. You just like, you don't get in the shower. You like step in kind of, and you just let your hair get wet, but not your body, right? You wring that side out, and then you do the same thing over here. Wring it out, towel dry it, and then you're done. You don't have to fully get in the shower. Yeah, I am that lazy. I hate that. It like makes me so annoyed because I don't want to get in the shower, wet my hair, dry my whole body and hair, and then apply the OLAPLEX. That's why I don't use it as much as you're supposed to. You're supposed to use it once a week, but the fact that I have to get my hair wet and I'm so lazy, I do it like maybe once every 2 weeks or whatever. So I'll play the little after clip right now so you can see. After I use OLAPLEX, my hair is so much softer. Like, it feels really soft. It's so much more smooth and shiny, and it feels so healthy. But what I like about OLAPLEX is it also separates the strands, because some hair products may make your hair, you know, shinier and softer, but if it doesn't separate the strands and it clumps it together, that like really bothers me because it just doesn't look as good. Yeah, I'm obsessed with OLAPLEX. I feel like it makes my color even like so much better. After I used it, I felt like my hair was like more ashy and less orange. I'm pretty sure I'm the only person who thinks this because no one else has ever said that before. Like, OLAPLEX doesn't even say it. So on to the coconut oil. Before I used coconut oil, again, you can see my hair is like pretty dry and crusty and nasty. My scalp is like dry. It's just not good. Okay, now coconut oil is a lot more simple, right? You don't have to get your hair wet, blah, blah, blah. All you do is just take the oil and just slap it on your hair. And what I like about coconut oil is you can also put it on your scalp. So if you have dry scalp or if you suffer from dandruff or anything like that, you can just apply it to your scalp as well to like moisturize it. I spent a lot of time reading articles last night, and I just got really mixed reviews about if you're supposed to use coconut oil on your scalp. Some articles were like, yes, it's great, and some articles were like, no, it's an occlusive oil. It can't penetrate your like skin because the molecules are too big. So basically what it does is it just makes your flakes like on your scalp like oily. So it doesn't look as flaky, but it's not actually helping with the dryness or the dandruff. I was like reading all these articles and I really don't know what to believe because they all say different things. I used it on my scalp, and like the hair on my roots did feel a lot better, and it does look a lot shinier. So I would say it's probably fine, but I don't know. So let's play the clip of the after of the coconut oil. So coconut oil did make my hair like look more smooth, and it definitely did make it shinier. But what I didn't like about coconut oil is it didn't make my hair soft. Like, it almost felt more coarse. It didn't feel soft or like sleek when I was running my fingers through it. Whereas with the OLAPLEX, when I was running my fingers through it, it felt so soft and just like really silky. With the coconut oil, it felt like thicker. So if you want like thicker hair, I think that would be good. And I'll play a little clip kind of comparing my after clips of Olaplex and coconut oil so you can see like how it looks. You might not even notice a difference because like, so they both made my hair more shiny looking and like more sleek. And as far as like flyaways and split ends, I think they're very similar. It's mostly just how it feels when I'm like running my fingers through it, and I'm big on that. I like to play with my hair, so that's something that's important to me. If you're more just kind of worried about the looks of it, honestly they're very similar because I don't think you'll be able to see a difference when I show you the clips. But if you can notice like a difference, let me know like which one you think look better down below. Overall, I highly prefer the Olaplex to the coconut oil, but you know, there are pros and cons to like everything, I guess, because Olaplex is obviously a lot more expensive. The coconut oil is super cheap and accessible, like you can get it literally anywhere. But in this sense, you do get what you pay for, I guess, because Olaplex is so much better if you have like damaged hair. So I think it's just about what you're looking for. If you have like color treated hair, chemically processed hair, and you want to bring it back to life, you want it to be soft, silky, you want your color to look good, you want it to be like shiny, then Olaplex for sure. If you have maybe like healthier hair, or you color your hair but your hair isn't like dead, and you want like thicker hair that's shiny and you know a little bit softer, a little bit smoother, then coconut oil is like a really nice affordable option. Alright guys, that's it for today's video all about Olaplex versus coconut oil. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit the like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I also have a bunch of other hair videos if you want to check those out. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!